Keep it on. Feel to be you. She's so fine. She's so fine. Hey y'all, people from other platforms wanted to know my updated product routine, and they also wanted me to review Sacred because I've been using it for the past like 4 or 5 months. I can't really remember. Whenever it hit Ulta, that's how long I've been using it. So I'm on the newer side of using Sacred, and I've actually just washed my hair. So we're gonna see what it looks like with just, their product. There's some products that I swear by that I'm not letting go, no matter how many times I update my product list. For clarifying shampoo, I have Sulfur 8. I actually use any clarifying shampoo because they all work the same. They're just clarifying and getting out, all the extra gunk that's in your hair that's built up over how long in between washes. Right after I use the Sulfur, I use Sacred shampoo, and I do get a really, really rich and good lather from it. When I first bought the product, everyone was like, oh, it lasts me a year. It's such a good lather. You don't need that much. And in my opinion, I do need more than what everyone is saying and what's recommended on the bottle, because my hair is like really thick and on the longer side. So I use more product, but it's really good. The Sulfur 8 dries out my hair, and once I lather and wash my hair with the Sacred, it adds a softness back into my hair, which I really, really love. And again, with the Sacred conditioner, I need more than what is recommended and what everyone else says they use, because my hair is on the thicker side and I need it to hit every single strand. But it's also a good product. My hair is like really soft because of it. We have the moisturizing lotion. I actually have to use a lot. I don't know. I know you're only supposed to use a little bitty, but again, my hair is really dry. Outside of Sacred, I swear by Cream of Nature. It's one of my favorite products. So when I'm not using Sacred, I am using Cream of Nature, and I use their shampoo and conditioner. When I run out of Sacred, I'll probably go back to this because Sacred is a little more on the expensive side and too much for my pocket. So I will be going back to this. But I did buy one of their new products and I'm about to try it right now. It is a strengthening hair mask, and it's acai berry and keratin. It's new. I actually haven't smelled it. I just bought it because it was Cream of Nature. Oh, that smells. Yeah, it smells good. I think that smells really good. It's, yeah, strong for sure. I also bought a new, this is new. I went to the beauty supply store and I saw this. I was like, oh, I have to try it. It is a shrinkage defense curl activator for dry, dehydrated hair. My hair is extremely freaking dry. I'm trying to get it back to how it was like 3 years ago, and I've been fighting for my life. It has pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. No sulfates, mineral oils, or silicones. So I will be adding this to my routine to see how that works. And I always use their mousse. Like, this is always in rotation no matter what I'm using. Of course, my Blue Magic. I'm never getting rid of my grease. I don't care what anybody else says. I'm always going to lock in my moisture with Blue Magic. Fuck what everybody else is saying. And then depending on how I want my hair, then I'll use any type of gel. I really don't care. This is from the dollar store. Like, I'll use any type of gel as long as it doesn't get that like crunchy, white, flaky thing that gel gives you. I will use it. And then for my edges, I really, really do not want to tell you guys because I love it and I don't want it sold out. But I use Edge Gel All Day Locks Extreme Hold, and it is magnificent. It actually holds all freaking day. It doesn't matter if I sweat, it's still gonna hold. Don't do too much with this product, but this is on the expensive side. I don't know if it's because I got it from a beauty supply store, but it is $12 because it's that good. I promise you, it's so good. I didn't want to buy it, but I've been using another edge control, and it's just, it doesn't have the hold like this has the hold. All right, let's get into it though. Okay, I will be trying the strengthening hair mask for the first time. It says to keep in your hair for 5 to 10 minutes. Oh, it's purple. Well, I guess acai berries. I wonder if this is too much. Not too much because I can't find a shower cap. I actually just bought this from the beauty supply store because I just threw out my other one. I had it for like 10 years and it was real raggedy. Like embarrassingly raggedy. I wouldn't want to put it on video. Raggedy. I'm tripping, I see. Oh. I didn't need nothing this big. This motherfucker big. Okay. Okay. I'm scared. What's going on? Oh. Oh. Okay. Whatever. Y'all, for $7, I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. My hair feels great. Yeah, it feels really good. It is a moisturizer and it adds shine. So it seems like I will be adding a whole shit ton of moisturizer to my hair, but that is my goal because I need to get my hair back to what it used to be. I'm probably gonna insert a picture, but my hair was longer then, so I'm like, maybe it was like that. I don't know, but my hair's not hydrated the way I want it to be. I'm gonna do the mixture test. Okay. That is the Sacred. Let's see. Okay, that's not bad. And then we're gonna add in my grease because I love me a grease. Oh. I don't know. It's not making those little balls, but it did turn white. We're gonna give it a try anyway. We're just gonna do this little bit of Sacred for this section. Start from the bottom up. Okay. What the curls look like with all of that mixed together. I think it looks pretty freaking good. Okay, this is what my hair looks like with all of the product added. I do not mind. It is a little white. It's because I didn't do a good job of mixing the grease in, but there's no like little like product balls from a bad mixture of products, so that is good. I just didn't brush through this. I finger detangled it, and yeah, I think it turned out great. Now I'm about to dry it because it is bedtime and unfortunately, I'm not going anywhere to show anybody my hair after this, so I have to blow dry it. I think I did a great job. Hold on, look at this. Y'all see that? Yeah, you see that bounce? You see that bounce? Thanks.
Does it feel to be? Feel like the feeling of a super